Let's talk about semiconductor materials. Materials around us can be classified based on physical and chemical properties. Some common examples of materials include metals, polymers, ceramics, composites, semiconductors, natural or raw materials. Let's learn about conductors, non-conductors, resistance, and semiconductor materials. A conductor is a material that allows electric charge, typically electrons, to flow through it quickly. Metals have many free electrons that can move through the material, making them excellent conductors. Other suitable conductor materials include electrolytes, plasma, and certain types of semiconductors. A non-conductor or an insulator does not allow electric charge to flow through it. Examples of non-conductors include rubber, glass, plastic, and dry air. Resistance measures how much a material resists the flow of electric current. The unit of resistance is known as the ohm, omega, represented by the symbol R. Materials with high resistance are poor conductors of electricity, while materials with low resistance are good conductors. Semiconductors materials have electrical conductivity properties in between a conductor and an insulator. Adding impurities or applying an electric field can control and manipulate their conductivity. Examples of semiconductors include silicon, germanium, and gallium arsenide. We use semiconductors in electronic devices such as transistors and solar cells.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos.